Hi everyone, it's Lynn here, and I just had some fun crafting and I wanted to just talk to you about a few things. Fall is one of the best seasons that so many of us love the colors and the stamps and the papers. So I just want to say that you can mix and match so much that's in this particular book. You have Backyard Bliss, and these papers work so well with our mix-ins and our crisp air. Now here's crisp air, and I just want to show you what I've been doing and playing with, and then you can see our mix-ins. Now I've already used the mix-ins with Backyard Bliss. I used it to create the Ahoy There scrapbooking, and now I'm even going to use it with crisp air for pumpkins. But let me just talk to you a little bit. This is the Bliss Air card making stamp set with thin cut. I am loving this one because of the barrel and the wheelbarrow. It just is gorgeous. Another one that we've been using, if you did the crop with me, we made a bonus page. This is Autumn Vibes, and you have the hayride. I picked a good one, pumpkin patch, apples, pumpkins, bale of hay, coffee, leggings, leaves, and lattes for all my coffee friends, apples, leaves, never too old to play in leaves. This is really a great set to have. You can see I have them on my blocks because I have been using them. When we talk about colors, we are using toffee, pine, paprika, mocha. You could use peach or papaya. Our new melon color, it's so much fun to play with all this good stuff. But here are the mix-ins, and I know I'm gravitating a lot to the shortbread. It's one of my favorite new colors this year. This was left over from Backyard Bliss, so I can definitely incorporate that for fall. But then we have more mix-ins, and I'm going to show you how I use this one. All the girls have been playing around with this one for the other layouts, but we're going to use this side next, and I can't wait to show you what I've come up with. The blues for the sapphire, the wood, love that. And then of course we've already used this pattern as well. When it comes to the colors of fall, you're going to love the coordinating cardstock for crisp air. We have the mocha, we have toffee, we have papaya, and we have pine. I'm sorry, not papaya. This is paprika. Sorry. But there's more that you can add. You could add papaya. You could add melon. You can add shortbread. You can add sage. With our custom packs of 12 or 24, there's so many color combinations. This is the crisp air paper pack and stickers. So let me just give you a sneak peek here. It's not really a sneak, but this is the sticker sheet. So I will be creating my kit of the month, but here are some of the papers, double-sided. I know you love the blue and gold. Then you have these beautiful squares, a splattered look, and the other side is that paprika diagonal, which I love, that one. And then I have all the pumpkins that I could possibly want, as well as the leaves. There's so many stamps in here or thin cuts that work so well for fall. So you have the stamp of the month coming up for September. We also have all of these stamps and thin cuts with the pumpkin, the leaf, the grateful, thankful, and then this other background stamp with borders. So you can see all the different looks here. Sunflowers. Here's the autumn vibes that I'm talking about. And there's camping, there's hiking. You're going to really enjoy playing around with a lot of the stamps that are in here in this featured collection. Is showing you how I've used this stamp set. I picked a good one with those baskets of apples. So you can see the stamp set right here. So we have this. I'm using the apples here, and separate apples, the larger apple, really cute. This is another stamp set from Backyard Bliss card making, and really had fun creating this and showing you some 2x2s, 4x6s, and 3x4 photo wells. So that was just really fun for us to create. We also used stamps to do the wheelbarrow here, and you can see the valley and the ground or the farmland for planting. Really a lot of fun. Now this was all back, but now I really want to show you how versatile this is. And this is using crisp air, and I just love the colors of the shortbread. This is the Mixins paprika paper. This is the Mixins shortbread paper, and I'm using paprika, cardstock, and toffee. And I'm loving using the wheelbarrow, right, out of this set. So don't let this set fool you. There's so much that you can enjoy with this. And then we have the pumpkins right out of here. I picked a good one, is also out of here. And pumpkin patch is also out of here. And that little leaf is also stamped in toffee. And shimmer brushes, I am using peach and paprika. You can also use papaya if you want. You can the shortbread shimmer brush and toffee. So mix it up a little bit and have some fun with that look. So I'm stamping this in mocha. Really enjoying using up my scraps, my wood scraps from Backyard Bliss. That's what I mean. These papers work so well together. Then you have this other sheet that's the right side companion. And I wanted to do Hayride. And these stamps, once again, right here, stamped in mocha. And I use shortbread and toffee shimmer brushes. And then you can see this leaf is stamped right here. And I just fussy cut a couple of them out. And I'm just using shimmer brushes, shortbread, peach, and papaya. Just having fun with it. All right. Listen, I hope you enjoyed that, but really take a look at the products in this catalog. This is good through the end of September because so much of it is beautiful for fall, mixing and matching, for scrapbooking and card making. You're really going to love it.